That ball bearing in your skateboard wheel started as a wire spool, that's the deal. In less than 60 seconds, watch it transform from metal string to precision storm. Steel wire coils arrive at the factory floor. Cold-headed machine cuts them up per second or more. Each day, then lapping plates with diamond dust slurry, polish it down in a phenolic flurry. Here's the plot twist that'll blow your mind. They measure sphericity to 1,000th of a human hairline. Surface roughness below